Hi, this is Jerry here. I'm one of friends of Srikanth, and I just want to thank Srikanth for bringing up this idea. Right, the idea about building the soil. I think soil is one important thing or one important medium for building anything. Say agriculture, when seeding an idea into a child's thought process, right? So helping them to grow. I think it really work with what he is actually doing, writing, seeding ideas into kids. And I think which catching up young is one important thing which anybody should be doing. Right? And say working with a blank space, a whiteboard to fill that up. I think that is great about what soil is all about.
What is your most memorable moment with soil?
I think just the idea about how he's bringing up small kids to talk about things which is very big for someone like me, right? I'm in this industry for about like 29 years, and I'm still scared about using the word called AI, metaverse, and I see kids talking about it. That's the brilliance of what he is adding or what soil is adding to this ecosystem. So I think all the very best to the team is what I would say.
Thank you.